Once you've located the object, check the sidewall for the tyre size. In this tyre, it's 225 profile. Check the tread depth conforms to the current tread depth legislation before the repair. Check the area of the repair using the minor repair chart, laying it centrally and reading across and ensuring the repair is not outside the box marked. Carry out your tyre checks. Check the sidewall, check the bead, check the other sidewall and check the bead. Now remove the object. Insert a tyre probe which is marked with 3 and 6mm marker rings. Check the angle of the injury, ensure it is no more than 15 degrees. For angles greater than this, a two-piece repair shall be used to a maximum angle of 25 degrees. Mark the inside of the tyre with crosshairs. And using a 6mm carbide cutter and a slow speed buffer, drill the tyre from the outside, from the inside, and always finishing from the outside. Check all the repairs in the tyre conform to BS AU159. Provided they do, you can proceed. Using your buffing solution, spray inside the tyre and using the scraper, clean the area. Again, using your slow speed buffer, and in this case a flat wheel, buff the area slightly larger than the head of the patch, ensuring you remove all the ridges. Using your air vac, remove any dust. Again, removing your buffing solution, spray the inside of the tyre and using the scraper, scrape the area clean. Using your vulcanizing solution, paint the area slightly larger than the head of the patch. You're now allowing that to air dry. Remove one of the patches from the foil strip. Remove it and just ensure you do not touch the head of the patch. This must not be contaminated. Using the pliers, grab the steel stem and pull through. Using your stitcher, start in the middle, remove to one side and the other. Just ensure you remove all the air from the patch. You'll now use your inner liner seal and you'll paint the area just around the head of the patch where you buffed off the inner liner before. Gently pull and cut.